So reports suggest that one major player may be behind these scenes, may be behind these massive deliveries, and we'll probably find out in the next couple of weeks. It's kind of like top secret at the moment, but I can imagine who it could possibly be because I've been reading up about a few things, for example. So could this be a centralized impact, pricing, availability? Could it? What happens in history when gold was concentrated in the hands of a few? So I just want you to think about that for 1 second, for example. Now, we've seen on the news, in the stock market, we've seen that Warren Buffett has been selling his stock. But what else did he buy? He would have to buy something, for example. So I believe that he's investing it in gold. And he's brought a lot of gold. If it is him, I can't say 100%, but it's a lot of gold that someone has brought. It's either a person like Warren Buffett or it could be the Federal Reserve. I'm not sure. We will find out in a few weeks' time, for example. So the dollar, as we know, is weakening, impact on gold prices, but also the pound isn't doing so great either in the UK. So how does this play into the recent economy, the policies? We've had the tariffs going on, all of these things. So people are panicking. So they're thinking, okay, the money is going down, for example, so what can I do to increase? So there's like things you can do. You can start your own business, side hustle, whatever you want to call it. Property prices, they might start going down, so it might be a good time to buy property. But there's also gold, which doesn't cost loads and loads of hundreds of thousands of pounds, for example. You can start off small, but it's something that you can keep for years and years and years, and even be used for your retirement, because we don't even know. I shouldn't say we don't even know. It could be a case that we may not get the retirement money that we expected as well. So we've all got to be thinking ahead of the times, for example. So inflation rates, like I said, the currency devaluation, and also the economic uncertainty. I'm not going to beat around the bush. We're seeing it all the time. It's everywhere, for example, in the news, because that's sometimes people want to cause scarcity and make us feel frightened, for example. The dollar is, but then obviously all those job losses, people losing their jobs, there's a lot of things that we're seeing outside of what the politicians are saying, that we are seeing that people have lost their jobs, even though some of them have been reinstated. So I'm still trying to catch up with that as well.